What if your savings could grow faster without you lifting a finger, all while avoiding fees and complicated requirements? That's the promise of the Marcus by Goldman Sachs high-yield savings account. But is it truly the best place for your money, or are there hidden drawbacks you should know about? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of Marcus Bank's high-yield savings account so you can decide if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Let's start with some context. Marcus by Goldman Sachs is the consumer banking arm of Goldman Sachs, a name synonymous with financial expertise. Since its launch in 2016, Marcus has gained a reputation for offering simple, no-frills banking products with competitive rates. Its high-yield savings account is one of its flagship offerings, designed to help savers earn more on their deposits compared to traditional banks. But as with any financial product, there are advantages and disadvantages to consider. Pros of Marcus Bank High-Yield Savings. Competitive interest rate. The Marcus High-Yield Savings Account offers an annual percentage yield, APY, of 3.9%. This rate is significantly higher than the national average for traditional savings accounts and allows your money to grow faster over time. Unlike some banks that offer tiered rates based on your balance, Marcus applies this APY uniformly, whether you have $1 or $1 million in your account. No fees. One of the standout features of this account is its fee-free structure. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no fees for wire transfers, and no penalties for excessive withdrawals. This makes it easier to save without worrying about hidden costs eating into your earnings. No minimum deposit or balance requirements. You can open a Marcus savings account with as little as $0, making it accessible for savers at all levels. There's also no minimum balance required to earn interest, so you'll benefit from the same APY, whether you're just starting out or already have a substantial nest egg. Same-day transfers. Marcus allows same-day transfers of up to $100,000 to and from linked external bank accounts. This feature provides flexibility and convenience if you need quick access to your funds. FDIC insurance. Like most reputable banks, Marcus is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, or $500,000 for joint accounts. This provides peace of mind that your money is safe even in worst-case scenarios. User-friendly digital platform. As an online-only bank, Marcus offers a seamless digital experience through its website and mobile app. The platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing you to check balances, transfer funds, and manage your savings effortlessly. Strong customer support. Marcus provides US-based customer service that's available 7 days a week. Whether you have questions or encounter issues, help is always just a phone call away. Daily compounding interest. Interest on your balance is compounded daily and paid out monthly, maximizing your earnings over time. Cons of Marcus Bank High-Yield Savings. No physical branches. While online banking offers convenience for many, it can be a drawback for those who prefer face-to-face interactions at physical branches. With Marcus Bank, all transactions must be completed online or over the phone. No ATM access. Unlike some high-yield savings accounts that come with an ATM card for easy cash withdrawals, Marcus does not offer this feature. To access your funds, you'll need to transfer money to an external bank account first, a process that can take time depending on your linked bank. No mobile check deposit. One notable limitation of the Marcus mobile app is that it doesn't support mobile check deposits. If you frequently receive checks and want to deposit them directly into your savings account, this could be inconvenient. No sister checking account. Marcus does not offer a checking account or debit card option alongside its savings account. This means you'll need another bank for everyday transactions like paying bills or withdrawing cash. Maximum balance limit. The account has a maximum balance limit of $1 million per depositor. While this won't affect most people, it could be restrictive for high net worth individuals looking to park larger sums in one place. Not always the highest APY. While 3.9% APY is competitive, it's not the highest rate available in today's market. Some online banks offer rates as high as 5% or more. If maximizing interest is your top priority, you might find better options elsewhere. Limited product offerings. Unlike full-service banks that provide a wide range of financial products, including loans, credit cards, and investment accounts, Marcus focuses primarily on savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs. If you prefer having all your financial products under one roof, this could be a drawback. Inflation risk. Like all savings accounts, the real value of your earnings can be eroded by inflation if the rate of inflation outpaces the APY offered by Marcus Bank. While this isn't unique to Marcus's account, it's worth keeping in mind when planning long-term financial goals. Who is Marcus Bank High Yield Savings best for? This account is ideal for individuals who prioritize earning a solid interest rate without worrying about fees or minimum balances. It's especially appealing for Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers a high-yield savings account that combines competitive rates with simplicity and zero fees, making it an excellent choice for many savers who want their money to work harder without unnecessary complications. However, its limitations, such as no ATM access or mobile check deposit, mean it won't suit everyone's needs. So now that we've laid out both sides, is Marcus Bank's high-yield savings account right for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, star.